right, guys, let's go. I've been researching this for 2 to 4 hours, faffing around, and all I could find for Insta360, Nadir, and Premiere Pro was some like 5, 6, 10-year-old videos. So I've whacked this together for you. All right, just pull your footage in, pull in the INSV files, pull that straight into Premiere Pro. See there, it's your INSV files. No round tripping, no exporting from the app, no faffing around. So work directly with INSV files. Premiere Pro made an automatic sequence for me. It set everything up for me. So boom, here we are. There's my footage. This is in preview mode in the Wrap 360 preview mode. Just drag in your Nadir / logo. And if you just look in wrap mode and flat mode, it's just hanging there in space. So just whack in VR plane to sphere. Super simple. Look, the language is ridiculous and complicated. I was initially trying to use position. I'm thinking it's in 3D now, but it just gets warped. So VR plane to sphere. I said after hours of research and looking, projection tilt. It's all very intimidating. It's just up and down, man. Look at that. It's moving up and down in 3D space. It's not distorting or anything. So I just bosh that down, cover up the monopod legs. This is what it looks like flat, stretch, scary. You hit the wrapped mode and it's all wrapped like a 360 sphere. Easy as, and once again, no round tripping through the stupid app. This is another little look. I said Premiere Pro sets this all up for you. Just drag it onto the timeline, create a new sequence. It creates all the settings auto. Just simply drag on your Nadir. Circle's good. It's a sphere, just circles easy. So that's there. We just need to drag it down and cover up the monopod. So VR plane to sphere. It allows us to move that in 3D space. So it's rotate projection and then projection tilt and just cover your monopod. Super simple. Hopefully this saves you 4 hours faffing around.